okay, we are stupid. Stop singing our song and using our language.
Yes.
Amandla. Yes. Akasho ngelanguage yakhe.
Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. Namhlanje ke nginiphathele izindaba ezithinta uMalema kanye noNgizwe. Sonke ke siyazi ukuthi uMalema ke beNongizwe kulezi insuku banako ukuthi bangazwani. Lokho kungazwani kwabo ke sekuze kwangenelela nasekuthenini uhlobo luni lomuntu ngokukaNgizwe ukuthi ngabe umSuthu, uMpedi noma uMvenda noma uMzulu. Njengoba ke uNgizwe ke eseqhamuke nento ethi emaralini akayeke uMalema ukuthi asebenzise ulimi lesiZulu njengoba engayena uMzulu ke abaningi benu bayazi ukuthi uMalema uyuMpedi. Uthi ke uNgizwe ke akaqhubeke ke acule ulimi labo ngoba thina amaZulu uthi siyizilima, stupid, asinangqondo. Ngamafushane ke uqondo ukuthi njengoba uMalema ekwazi ukuthi amaZulu ayilimi, ukwazi kanjani ke pho ukuthi acule ngolimi lawo pho? So shona khona ke somlalela ukuthi uNgizwe uthini mawuthi uyaqala ukufela, make sure ukuthi ushiya usubscribeile ukuze phela ungeke uzuphuthelwe amavideo afana nalawo. Ashone khona ke.
Stop singing our song and using our language.
Yes.
Amandla. Yes. Akasho ngelanguage yakhe. Okwesibili. Noma kubi. Yabo. Siyabe sabana. Engayazi isiZulu. Ukuthi siyabe sabana. Akasho ngani ngelanguage yakhe.
Yawuzwa.
Akasho ngani ngelanguage yakhe. Akasho ngani ngelanguage yakhe. Ngoba iyayizonda. Ngoba iyalokunye. It's because we are powerful, we are united, but they insult us, they call us entertainers. But when they get on stage, they sing our song, they sing our slogan. They must stop it before it's too late.
Kodwa nje bathi asibonge ukuthi peacefully ama-march. We are worried about people on social media who are lying about South Africa.
Yeah.
So be spread a propaganda engekho.
Yeah.
Because umuntu esimkhumbulayo washawa umuntu wayekade esemashini ngoba ezama uganga ekhuzu. Number 2, I've stated sisafika lapha ekhaya ukuthi iposition yethu njengama artist kunabantu abakhuluma ku social media ukuthi
artist.
Yes. Yes, lalela bathwa. I'm an author of a book, Transition Management. I'm a singer as well. So iposition yethu ithi njengoba kwenzakala abamash as peaceful as they are, we are saying anyone who is in South Africa without the papers, legitimate papers, that person is a criminal. We also visit their countries. I stated that I've been singing almost to 15% of African countries. When I get there, these are my documents. Lama passport amabili ase expired. Enye uqale ngathatha ngo-1996 expired long time ago. I've got the one ezo expire nini ezo expire ngo-2031. So anyone who comes here, so anyone who comes here, we are saying as much as we are respecting, please guys shut up. Sorry, please keep quiet. As much as we are respecting their countries, we need them to respect our country. That is our position.
Okay everyone, sivala la ivideo namhlanje sibuya ungqi. I really hope you enjoyed ivideo namhlanje. If you enjoy, make sure to smash the like button, uphinde smash the subscribe button, and also comment down below wena umbono wakho ngalolu daba mokuthi umXhosa noma uMpedi noma uMsuthu. Comment down below ukuthi wena ngihambisana nalento eshiwo uNgizwe. But mina I will see you in the next video. Bye.